you guys, it's Sidney.
And it's the boy, Nile. And welcome to our channel. What's
hey,
up?
you guys.
What's good, Sidney and Krewe? How y'all doing today?
Screenshot. We've been gone for like a few days, but it's okay. We've been handling some things, but that's besides the point. We're back.
We're here now.
That's all that matters.
That's all that matters, baby. We are here now. You ready?
Yeah, ready?
I'm ready too. I like the video.
So y'all,
we're going to be doing, what did you call this challenge? The various different flavors of soda challenge.
Guess that soda. Guess that soda.
Guess that soda.
Guess that soda
like
challenge.
I like it. So we have 8 different types of soda, and we're basically going to be doing like the same thing that we did with the baby food, and we're going to try to guess the different flavors.
We're going to be blindfolded too, by the way.
Yeah, blindfolded.
We don't have a blindfold. We have a tie, like last time.
As usual. I guess you can go first, and then I'll go after you.
We each have 4, so we're just going to show y'all the 4 that we have. So the first one on my list is Dr. Pepper.
Then we got Fanta Orange.
Coke.
We got root beer.
7-Up. I hate 7-Up. I hate it.
Pepsi.
Also hate it. And
Fanta. A pineapple Fanta. Ready?
Yeah.
So who's gonna go first?
Rock, paper, scissors. Duh.
Ready?
That's 2 out of 3. Y'all know. I'm about to win. Just watch. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm tired.
That's
of it.
1.
Get it right.
You suck to have to do that.
I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god. Alright, we got one more try.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go.
He got lucky. Wow.
Feels good.
That's ghetto.
That feels good.
That's ghetto.
Stop hating.
That's
You're not
ghetto.
ready yet. Sidney, come on, bro. Put this on.
I'm gonna win though. I have a good feeling about this.
We'll see. You know, I drink a lot of soda. I drink soda. So, this is not good, but I do it. I do drink it. Food. And if you haven't seen the baby food video, go watch that. What you doing? You're
We're gonna
late.
link it in the description. So
You are late.
I feel weird because I can't see y'all, but whatever.
I'm gonna start it off with a banger. I'm gonna a banger this too.
I can smell it.
Really?
Yes, it's pineapple fan.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do?
You open it or open
I'm about to
all
open
of
all
them.
of them.
Yeah, so I can smell it. So he's gonna open all of them.
Boy is undefeated. Have y'all noticed that? If you've been with us since the beginning,
If y'all
then
been
you know.
watching, then y'all know I'm a winner. Like,
No,
stop.
you are a loser.
He's capping.
If y'all been watching for the beginning, then you
Then
know,
y'all know
I have
I'm-
not lost a challenge yet.
I haven't lost the challenge. He loses it all.
Sidney, come on, man. Why is he doing this? With this one right here. That's what we go with, y'all.
I'm scared, y'all.
So we're gonna pop it off. Tilt the head back.
I don't like this.
It's okay. You're not gonna drown. God, calm down. Open your mouth. I'm not putting in much. Nah, you see? That ain't nothing.
Oh my god, this is harder than I thought. That's Dr. Pepper.
Oh, alright, you got it. Whatever, dude. Cause you know I'm not about to get one wrong. I'm not gonna get one wrong. And you leave down in the comments.
Score too.
Leave down in the comments if you think. Try to guess how many we each gonna get right and how many we each gonna get wrong.
Yeah, y'all gotta guess who's gonna win. Oh.
Root beer. Why would you give my favorite soda as the first one?
Yo, this is gonna be too easy.
Why?
I feel like this is gonna be too easy, y'all.
No, it's gonna be okay. Get it.
This is gonna be too easy.
Let's get it.
I feel like it's gonna be too easy.
You think we can do some twist? We can mix some of the sodas.
No, don't do that. That's ghetto.
How's that ghetto? I
Because-
love mixing soda. That's all I do.
Pepsi.
God dang it. Alright, this is probably gonna...
It's not hard. This is so easy. Okay. Put your head back some more.
It's Coke.
Man,
That's
y'all,
Coca-Cola.
it's easy.
I don't know. Coke is easy.
I feel like the 7-Up is gonna be easy.
Coke is nasty, bro. Let me know if
No,
I drink
I
Coke.
like Coke.
Really? Coke is nasty. I used to drink it all the time.
A good cold Coke. Oh my gosh.
You put it there. Let's see if you can find my hand.
You moving it. You cheater.
Alright, you ready?
Uh-huh.
What? You smelled it?
No, I'm just laughing because it's crazy.
I think I put too much. God dang it. She got it right, guys.
Wait, that was kind of tricky. I need some more, I think.
Oh my god. If you did this wrong. Nah, that's all you get. You ain't getting no more. Make a guess.
Pineapple Fanta.
God dang it.
I need some more, though.
Sidney, stop messing up my stuff, bro. Come on, dude. Hey, sabotage.
I hate him, y'all. I hate him.
Hang on. Let's go. Whoa. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Head back. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be?
That's Pip.
Pip? We don't even have Pip. That's wrong, y'all. He wrong. He
No,
said
you're
it. He
right.
said Pip. That's
You're
wrong.
my right answer. Dr.
He's
Pepper.
cheating,
You know what I
y'all.
mean, though.
No, but you can't do that.
Okay, we don't have Pip.
So
the next answer I would say is
no,
Dr. Pepper.
You know.
Yes. He's hating because I got it right and you didn't want me to get it right.
We don't even have Pip. That's crazy. Come on. I'm ready. Come on.
Don't rush me.
That's okay. Okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing? And I'm the one cheating.
No, I'm also.
I should drown you. What was it?
7-Up. I hate you. And you put a lot because you know I don't like 7-Up. My nose is so red. God, you gonna make me spill it on you.
That's orange.
Y'all, this is too easy. I don't know if it's just us or if it's just too easy.
Alright, which one have it? 9 to give it down. 9 to give it down.
Just tell me when to go.
Just go. You smelled it, didn't you?
No, I think
Stop lying.
I think you promised.
Get it out of my face. Drink that. Drink that, girl.
Coke.
Wrong.
No,
It's
that's
Pepsi.
not wrong.
I had Pepsi already.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
I'm
It's
telling
cold.
you didn't. You got it wrong.
Lying. It's cold.
You want to rewind the footage?
Open your mouth. Come on, Nile.
Oh, bro, I'm ready.
Open your mouth.
Strawberry. This is.
I thought I was gonna win, but
No,
we're
you're not gonna win.
tied.
You're not gonna win. We'll have a
We're
bonus
tied.
round. I'm
If
thinking of a
we-
bonus round.
If we tied, then that means I win.
What?
In the story.
No, it ain't gonna be no tie because you're not gonna win. All right, Sidney? You've never beat me in your life. You will not starting today.
I beat you every night. Stop that.
Sidney, I don't know what you're talking about. Come on. You smelled it, huh?
I know.
That's all you get. You're not getting no more.
Okay.
Wrong.
That's not wrong,
It was Dr.
y'all.
Pepper.
No, I had Dr. Pepper already.
Sidney, you think you slick, bruh? Huh?
Head back. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. Come on, stop.
The freak was dead. What? He was woke. That's 7 Up, my G.
Man, I thought you were gonna
That's
get
7
it
Up.
wrong.
It kind of tasted like Coke on the low. I ain't gonna lie.
Coke?
Yeah.
How you get Coke out of 7 Up?
Boy, if you don't.
I tasted Coke somehow.
You got some weird taste buds.
I'm not stupid.
I'ma say that.
I'm not stupid, bro. Drink that. Come on, get this wrong. Get this wrong. I just need you to get one wrong, babe. I just need you to get one. I'm not getting one.
That's an orange Fanta.
Wrong.
No, you're a damn lie. Yo! No, that's he lying. He did
How am I
something.
lying? You got it wrong. That was Pepsi the whole time.
Y'all, that tastes like
Sidney, we
orange
can rewind
Fanta.
the video. We can rewind
No, bro, this is my chance. And I flunked it.
the video. Yeah, babe. It's okay. You're gonna get it.
This is what he has. Head back.
Pineapple. You thought she was gonna give me just by giving me. You thought you was gonna give me this much? Now we just gotta chug the whole thing.
No, so I hate Pepsi. Y'all, so nasty.
We gotta break this tie, bro. You know what? I'm not gonna do that to you, babe. I lied.
What?
You got it right.
You pinky promise?
I think promise.
Yo, I was freaking losing it.
I coulda did it too. This what
y'all.
happened.
I won. That mean I won.
I
Oh,
knew
this is
it.
tied.
I know I'm not crazy.
I put this right here to make you think that was gonna be the one that you. But anyways, I gave you orange.
I knew.
And then I put it behind right there to make you think. And you fell for it. Well,
So you guys, it's a tie.
It's a tie.
We both won.
Sadly.
Well, I won, really. I'm a
How,
winner.
explain to me how you.
Because it's a tie, and being that it's a tie, that means Sidney won. So I win. I'm a winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
You know?
I'm a winner.
It feels
If
better.
y'all on my team, then we won, y'all. We won.
It feels better when you have a loser, but there's no loser here. Whoever can make the biggest burp win.
You know,
I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna say some Dr. Pepper.
You look, that was luck. Watch, this gonna come right now. Hold on. No, I'm not going out like that.
I win.
That's a fish. It was easy. It was really easy.
Y'all leave down in the comments some more things, some stuff y'all want to see.
We don't want to see y'all. Let us know.
Give us like some hard stuff, like some hard.
Like some
challenges.
interesting challenges,
Yeah.
like the ice bath. That was pretty cool. I want to see more stuff like the ice bath challenge. Then y'all let us know down below.
And it's getting hot out here. You know, springtime. You can do more things outside
Wow.
too. So you know, just think outside the box and just let us know.
To help get us to 400 subscribers,
Help.
that would really help us
No,
out a
no,
lot.
no. Help get us to 500. And if we,
Yo, I won. Point blank. Period.
that was his second. Yeah, so let's try to get to 500 subs. And if we can get 1,600,000 likes on this video, that would be greatly
That would be
appreciated,
amazing.
guys. Let's do that.
So
Let's get that there.
If you enjoyed, like this video, comment down below.
And we need 600,000 views.
Yeah. Tell your friends. Y'all have to share it to your social medias.
600,000.
Share it on your profiles. Tell y'all family. Tell y'all friends.
If we get 1,600,000 likes on this video, we will do a giveaway.
Giveaway.
So you can really tell them. We're gonna be giving away a free PlayStation 5.
Y'all know the PS5 coming out in December. So y'all better
Likes.
run it up. Run it up.
So yeah,
Run it up.
run that up. We will go catch you guys in the next video. So we're gonna say right now, deuces.